Oh, I did it. Okay, we're here at our third spot. At our last location we went to, our second spot. We were at a roadbed and we didn't get a bite, but on the way over here, we saw a bald eagle go down and catch a fish, and it was pretty cool. Well, we'll catch up to you whenever we catch another one. Yeah! Here, I'll grab it. If I take it off, yeah! On
a drop shot, we gotta remember this fish in the bottom.
Good job. Let's measure him. Ew, I see him. Oh! It's a big fish. Really? Oh, I got it. It's a, oh, this is a big fish. Oh! Oh, this is... Yeah! Oh, that's a big, oh!
That's
Wait.
a catfish.
No! Oh!
Catfish.
Oh!
We'll put that nasty down here.
Yeah, don't bring a fish in.
Give me the...
Got one.
Oh, that's a nice one. Here, I'll dip it. Here, let him tie around. Here, bring him to me. Yeah. Bring it to me. Right there. Oh, look at that choke that.
Smallest bass of the day, huh?
Little spotted bass. There's a school of little tiny ones over there. We've caught, isn't this our third or fourth little spotted bass? Chunky little dude. Why is there so many boats?
today, Central Castmasters here at Lake West Point today. This is our, I think like 10th tournament, and we had a good practice round today. We caught a couple, and we're looking for some bigger and better fish today. Hopefully we'll catch something. We'll pick y'all guys back up when we get to the next spot. See ya.
Boat number 10, Joni Gates and Wyatt Harmon, Central Elementary School.
We did it! Yay!
Uncle Harmon, I'm going to show you how to cast a popper on a bait caster. That's how you do it.
Do it again.
What you doing, Wyatt? What you fishing?
I'm fishing a jig. A spoon, and we're on a ledge. Hopefully we can catch something.
What are you fishing?
A drop shot.
Where are you trying to fish it?
Where?
Yeah.
The ledge.
The fish down there?
No.
Boat number 10 is Joni Gates and Wyatt Harmon. They're from Central Elementary School. 1 bass, 1 alive, $1.99. Give them a hand, y'all. $1.99.